Hello everyone, today I'm going to be simply showing you how you can log in into your Twitch account. It is a very simple and easy process, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, in order to log into a Twitch account, first of all, I hope you have created a Twitch account. If you haven't already, go ahead and watch my old video where I teach you how you can create a Twitch account. And once you have done that, finally go ahead into www.twitch.tv into any browser you want. Once you have searched for that, you should be on the Twitch website, and then on the top right of the website there is a login button. Go ahead and click on it, and finally go ahead and enter your username and enter your password. And then once you have added both the correct information, username and password, go ahead and click on login. And finally, once you have done that, congratulations, you have successfully logged in into your Twitch account. If you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.